Welcome back to the Bikers Club channel. If you're not subscribed,
Gay!
just kidding. We love you anyway. Join us for the ride. For our loyal brothers and sisters subscribers, your loyalty is what keeps our engines revving. Now, let's dive into today's subject. Ready? Let's go. Looking for a motorcycle that's easy to ride, lightweight, and perfect for everyday fun, without breaking your back or the bank? In today's video, we're counting down the top 7 lightweight motorcycles for senior riders in 2025, hand-picked for comfort, control, and confidence. Let's ride. Yamaha V-Star 250. Price $4,699. If you're just starting out or getting back on 2 wheels, the Yamaha V-Star 250 is a great cruiser. Weighing just 324 pounds with a low 27-inch seat height, this bike is smooth, forgiving, and comfortable. The 249 cubic centimeter V-twin engine is beginner-friendly, and the classic cruiser style gives it that nostalgic charm older riders love. Coming in at number 6 is the sleek and nimble BMW G310R, $5,190. This lightweight naked bike is surprisingly powerful for its class, offering a 313cc engine and just 349 pounds of curb weight. It's easy to maneuver, has top-notch ABS, and gives you that premium BMW feel without the premium price. Perfect for city riding and light touring. $6,649. The new 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator is a game-changer for lightweight cruisers. It features a 451 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine and weighs around 386 pounds. Kawasaki nailed the ergonomics, forward controls, low seat, and relaxed handlebars. It's a modern classic that feels like it was designed specifically for senior riders. Price $4,999. Don't let its aggressive look fool you. The Yamaha MT-03 is lightweight and super easy to ride. It weighs just 373 pounds and has a 321 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine that's smooth and responsive. With a low 30.7-inch seat and upright position, it's both sporty and senior-friendly. Price $4,699. A fan favorite here on Bikers Club, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This bike offers a retro charm, super soft suspension, and a super low seat at 30.1 inches. Weighing just 421 pounds, it's perfect for cruising, commuting, or Sunday rides. And yes, the 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine is built like a tank. Number 2. Suzuki SV650. Price $7,399. Need a little more power without sacrificing comfort? The Suzuki SV650 is your answer. This V-twin-powered bike delivers 75 horsepower, yet it only weighs about 432 pounds. It's known for its low seat height, smooth throttle, and legendary reliability. For seniors who still crave sporty performance, this one is gold. Number 1. Honda Rebel 500. Price $6,499. And taking the top spot, the legendary Honda Rebel 500 with its 471 cubic centimeter twin engine, super low 27.2-inch seat, and curb weight of just 408 pounds. It's the perfect blend of power, comfort, and style. The Rebel is smooth, easy to handle, and has a relaxed riding position, making it the go-to choice for riders of all ages. These 7 motorcycles combine everything a senior rider needs: low seat height, lightweight feel, reliability, and control. Whether you want to cruise the boulevard or take on a twisty back road, there's a bike here for every riding style. Which bike would you choose for 2025? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bikers Club, and hit the bell so you never miss our next review. We post new videos every Saturday and shorts all week long. Ride safe and ride smart.